So here's my rear door, Stone Creek Ranch, my new Gehan home. Here we can see my trim carpenters come in and fix this door. And if we look at it, we can see, look at the gap, right hand side, starts to taper down to where it rubs against the jamb. That we can kind of get away with, but again, caulk joints everywhere. Here we can see the left side of the door where the trim guys fixed it. He's pulled the trim off and pulled it out of the sheetrock. He's added some extension jambs on the side, and he's made the reveal consistent and unbowed the door frame. What you can't see, here's the overall. What you can't see, but it's noticeable here, is where the door was bent. They cut it into the sheetrock. You can still see where the other base side is pushed in there. We didn't pull it out. Here's the gap. We'll have to paint that and touch it up. So we look at the door frame. Here we can see my trim carpenter had to install a 1/4-inch extension jamb all the way down because the door isn't set properly. Here it runs on this side. It runs from a 1/4-inch to the hinge side of the door to nothing. And then if we look at these hinges, we can see top hinge is set normally, second hinge is set a little bit further out, third hinge is pulled out, and we can see that they leveled the door by moving the door hinges. So very poor work all around. That's what we couldn't fix. What we could fix was the trim on the exterior of the door and the bad jamb so that the door looks right. However, it's not right. But cosmetically, the appearance looks good. So that's a good thing, but there's only 2 entranceways into a home. If you can't set the door level, maybe you should get a guy that knows how to do it properly. New Gehan home, Stone Creek Ranch.